In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Slack to N8N so you can automate messaging, alerts, and team notifications. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add a manual trigger for testing or a webhook trigger if you want Slack to respond to real-time events. Next, add a Slack node. You can choose between a Slack trigger if you want to receive messages or events, or a Slack node if you want to send messages automatically. Now go to the Slack API website and create a new app. Inside the app settings, enable OAuth and permissions. Add the required scopes such as chat write permissions so N8N can send messages on your behalf. Once configured, install the app into your Slack workspace and copy the bot token. Go back to N8N and paste this token into your Slack credentials. After that, select the Slack channel or user where messages should be sent. You can now define the message content, including dynamic data from previous nodes. Run a test workflow to make sure messages are successfully sent or received. Check your Slack channel to confirm everything is working correctly. If needed, adjust permissions, channels, or message formatting until the output is correct. Once everything is ready, activate the workflow. N8N will now automatically connect with Slack and handle notifications, alerts, or message automation for your workflows. And that's how to connect Slack to N8N. Set up your Slack app, connect credentials, test messaging, and automate your team communication easily.